Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I will show you how to set up a background image or color to any page with Elementor.
Plugins for WP. WordPress premium plugins and themes for an affordable price.
So this is our homepage, and let's say you would like to set up a background image or color specifically for this page. To do that, let's go to the settings icon on the bottom left corner, and here we'll switch to the style tab, and here we have two options to choose from. You can choose the classic or the gradient background. Let's go with the classic. For example, you can set up your desired color over here, or alternatively, if you would like to set up an image instead, you can click over here and choose your image. And as you can see, after you chose the image, this is the background image of this page. It's attached to the body tag. Now it's only going to affect this page specifically and not the whole website. For example, let's visit this page first to see the body image over here. However, if we go to a different page of the website, for example, let's check this sample page, we can't see the background image over here because it was specifically to the page we set it up on. So if we'd like to create a background color image for the whole website, let's relaunch the Elementor visual editor screen, and now we will click on the burger menu on the left top corner, and here we'll go to site settings, and here to background, and here we have the both same options we had earlier, the classic and the gradient, and now we can choose a color or an image. For example, I'm going to set it up to this red background color, and this color will be available on every page of the website. Before wrapping things up, I would like to show you how to get any premium WordPress plugin or theme for 97% off the original price. Just go to pluginsforwp.com and click on the download free in order to download our free plugin manager that we developed. After you download it, go back to your WordPress website, into plugins, add new, upload plugin, and over here choose and upload the plugin that you just downloaded from us. Click install and then activate the plugin. Then go to the new plugins for WP tab that was added to your WordPress sidebar. Browse between the thousands plugins and themes that we are offering. If you are looking for a specific one, type it over here and the results will appear in front of you. Browse the search results and find the item that you were looking for. When you found it, just click on purchase. You will be redirected to our cart, where you can purchase this plugin for only $4.99, which is 97% off the original price. If you are looking to get multiple items, consider getting one of our unlimited downloads plans and enjoy unlimited downloads for only $12.97 a month or $87 a year. Thanks again guys for watching this video. I link to the written blog post in the description down below. If you have any questions, please let me know by leaving a comment down below using the comments box. Also, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel because there are more great videos on the way.